Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to save pixel art in Krita without blurring. First, do not resize your canvas before exporting unless you really need to. Pixel art is meant to stay small, and if you resize it the wrong way, Krita will interpolate the pixels and cause blur. If you need a larger version of your pixel art, scale it properly before exporting. Go to Image, then Scale Image to New Size. Increase the width and height by whole number multiples only, like 2 times, 4 times, or 8 times. For example, scale 32 by 32 to 128 by 128, not to random sizes. In the scaling options, make sure filter is set to nearest neighbor. This is the most important step. Nearest neighbor preserves sharp, blocky pixels and prevents smoothing or anti-aliasing. When you're ready to save, go to File, then Export. Choose PNG as your file format. PNG is lossless, which means it keeps every pixel exactly as you drew it. Avoid JPEG because it compresses and blurs pixel edges. Click OK, then export the image as PNG. Your pixel art will stay crisp with no blur. And that's how you save pixel art in Krita without blurring. Thanks for watching.